Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here at the right side we have a button disconnect. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So disconnect leaves your earbuds at the device list, and unpair just remove your earbuds from your phone. So totally. Now let's tap on it, and as you can see we still have it at the device list, but we disconnect them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!